Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and I focus on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. I love me some luxury and hopefully you do too. If this is your first time clicking on my video, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, we are going to get into today's video. In today's video, I am sharing with you a try-on haul from HighLowLuxxe and The Drop. The Drop is by Amazon and they collaborate with influencers such as HighLowLuxxe, and her name is Janae. And this will be her third collaboration with Amazon The Drop. And I picked up something from each collection that she has dropped. At the end, I will share with you my thoughts, my reviews on the collection. So let me get into the first item. If you have never purchased anything from The Drop, it's on sale for 30 hours. After the 30 hours, that is it. Then it is made and then it ships out to you. The items that I picked up were the trousers, the jumpsuit, the dress, and the tube top. So the first item that I picked up is the halter. This material is very thick, very tight, knit pattern. I absolutely love it. It does have stretch. This is the strap that you can crisscross in the front. I'll maybe pop up a picture, but it crisscross over your head and just like this, just like that. I did not like it like that. I like to wear it across one shoulder. This knitting, the stretch, absolutely superb. I picked this up in a double extra large. I wear a 40 double D and this fits me perfect. My torso is short, so I can actually fold either the top down or the bottom up. So that is how it looks right there. If you would like to wear it like I am wearing it, just know there's going to be some extra fabric on the opposite side and it kind of looks like a bow. That's with me just tucking it. Now, if you want to secure it, you can secure it on the inside and then you will not see anything. So it's a couple of ways to wear this halter top. And I just chose to wear it across the body just to give that kind of asymmetrical or crossbody look. I thought it was cute. So that is the first item from HighLowLuxxe and The Drop. Halter top in yellow. I'm not for sure if that's the correct name, but it looks yellow to me. And a double extra large. Let's move to the next item. So the next item are these trousers. They are tall girl friendly. Yes, they are. They have pockets, elastic in the back. Then we have one button and then two little thingamajigs, hooks. And if you see very closely, the closure goes diagonally. I hope you can see it. There you go. Oh, that's so cute. It blends in with the creation of the pants. These are wide leg. The material is super, super soft. There is no zipper. I definitely wore about 2.5, 3-inch heels with this, and this did not really drag the ground. So it's tall girl friendly and a short girl friendly because I am 5'3" and a 4th. And so this I picked up in a 2X. All right, so let's move to the next item. The next item is this jumpsuit. You will not be able to see the full length of it, but it is a halter style. Love the collar. It does have buttons. Then it has belt loops, comes with pockets, And this is a very, very generous wide leg jumpsuit. Yes, it is. It is very wide. Now let's get into the back. Well, this is the back. I picked this up in a 2X. As I stated, I wear a 40 double D. There was lots and lots of room in the back, so it did not stay up, and my bra did show when I was trying it on over there. So yes, as you can see, we have elastic in the back. There is no zipper. That is it for the jumpsuit. Moving on to the next item. The next item is this yellow dress in that same knit material. It is very, very long on my 5 3 1/4 frame. It has these bell sleeves, padded shoulders, and it does have a slit at the bottom. The back is cut out, and the straps are very, very long. So when you tie them, if you tie them in a bow, you're going to have a lot of room left over to hang. So hopefully when you wear this with your hair. If your hair is long like mine, you would wear it up where you can see the back. This material is very weighty. I think it's because of the length of the dress. I picked it up in a 2X. So let's go over review really quickly my thoughts on HighLowLuxxe The Drop collection. Again, this is her 3rd collection. I have purchased at least 1 or 2 things from each collection. This is my favorite. This halter is my favorite. It's probably my favorite because it fits great. I love it. I love the material. I love how stretchy it is. The knit is very small and tight, and I like that. Sometimes the knit can be like the pattern is large. This is very small, and I love that detail. The overall design, great, because you can wear it multiple ways. So that is my review on this yellow halter top. Again, I picked this up in a double extra large. Now my review on the trousers. I picked these up in a 2X, and then I also picked them up in a double extra large. I really like the fit of the 2X because the double extra large fits my stomach a little snugger. So the 2X gives me a little bit more room. Now with this having the pleats in the front, if you have something tight against the pleats, it's going to stick out, and I didn't want that look. So the 2X fits me better. The double X would make my stomach be more pronounced, and I don't want that look. The material is super, super soft. It's very well made. This is the jumpsuit. I picked this up in a 2X. It runs very, very large. The back of the halter does not come up. It does have elastic in the back, but it's too much elastic for me. The pant legs are very, very roomy. If you like that look, that's great. You should pick these up, or hopefully you pick these up. And then the material is lightweight. It does wrinkle really quick. The pants are definitely tall girl friendly. Yeah, these are definitely tall girl friendly. I wore 3.5-inch platforms to try them on, and it still drug the ground. Lastly is this beautiful, gorgeous yellow dress. Love it, love it, love it. Heavy, 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 heavy. Especially, I just received it, so I'm thinking that the collection is for spring, summer, or definitely summer. And this is too heavy for me to wear right now. I have broad shoulders, but the shoulders did not fit me properly. As far as the fit of the dress, I did not, in the try-on portion, I did not wear any type of shapewear, and that was my no. should have had the shapewear on. Without shapewear, you definitely will see every bump and groove, and my stomach was just definitely sticking out in this in the try-on portion. So make sure you wear your shapewear with this. Overall, I think it's a great collection. I have loved at least 1 to 2 pieces in each collection. I think it's great how they collab with influencers and come up with the collection, and I think it's a great thing. So that is it for my try on plus review of HighLowLuxxe The Drop, and this is her 3rd collection review. So comment below if you picked up something from any of HighLowLuxxe's drops. The first one, the second one, or the third one. And let me know what you think about her pieces, and specifically, if you are plus size, let me know if your items fit you. Thank you for watching. Comment below. Let me hear from you. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay? Make sure you subscribe. Hit your notification bells. You must hit your notification bells, for when I upload, you'll be automatically notified. Until the next time. Riverdirty. Bye-bye.